Hi folks, Greg, your friendly garden guy right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. We're going to be talking about fertilizers today and organic versus synthetic fertilizers. Which one should you use? Which one is better? Those are the questions I get. Those are the questions you have. Guess what? The plants don't care where they get their nutrients. They can't read the labels. They don't know if it's synthetic or organic. Now, there's different ways. Plants take up nutrients, any nutrients, the same way. Okay, so the fertilizers act differently. So, for instance, synthetic fertilizers or man-made fertilizers such as Jack's Classic or High Yield Grower Special, these are man-made fertilizers. They feed the plants now. Okay, even a controlled release fertilizer or a time release fertilizer such as Osmocote feeds for a long period of time, but they feed now. They start feeding now and continue feeding for a long period of time. The nutrients that are in those fertilizers are readily available for plants to take up now. So in conditions where you want to have rapid plant growth or you are correcting a deficiency in a nutrient, synthetic fertilizers are probably a better option because the nutrients are available now. The downside of synthetic fertilizers is they don't help the soil any, okay? And overuse of some of your synthetic fertilizers can cause too much salts in the soil. If you overuse a synthetic fertilizer that is not a controlled release, you can also burn the plants because you have too much nutrients coming out into the soil at one time. But most of the synthetic fertilizers, if used properly, they are for feeding the plant right now. Those nutrients are available right now. And if you want to correct any deficiency, then you use those. Organic fertilizers, they have the same nutrients in there, but they depend on soil microorganisms to break down where those nutrients are coming from so it's available for the plants to use. So it takes a longer period of time. Okay? The benefits of the organic the organic fertilizers is they help the soil. They actually have stuff in them that will make the soil better. They have the microorganisms in there that helps the composition of the soil. Okay, so you're helping your soil and then you're feeding your plants. So the question is still, which is better, synthetic or organic? Well, it don't have to be one or the other. Okay, the answer would be feed your plants and feed your soil. So healthy plants, whenever you need rapid plant growth or you're correcting a deficiency, use the synthetics. When you're wanting to build your soils and fertilize your plants, use the organics. It doesn't have to be one or the other. Okay? This is Greg, your friendly garden guy, talking about organic and synthetic fertilizers, saying get your hands dirty. It's good for you.